Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to delete a lock screen wallpaper from this device. First of all, go to the lock screen. Now tap and hold on the lock screen. Okay, so here you can see lots of the lock screen wallpapers you can see here. So from here you can delete any lock screen. So in case if you want to delete this one, just swipe up. Now you can see the delete button. So same like this way, the inbuilt lock screen wallpaper also we can remove. So if you want to remove this one, just swipe up. You can see the option delete button. Simply you can delete this lock screen from this device. So simply here I am going to delete this one. Just swipe up, tap on delete. Now you can see one confirmation message you can see here. Delete this wallpaper. This wallpaper will be removed from both the lock screen and the home screen. Delete this wallpaper. To confirm this one, tap on this option, delete this wallpaper. That's it. That lock screen is deleted from this device. So simply in this way you can delete the lock screen wallpaper from this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.